So hello friend, this is me Sandeep, and in this video we will learn some more basic concept of JavaScript. So here I have mentioned the operators, kind of control flow, loop, and now let's understand the operator. Operator means anything that performs some certain task between two variable. It could be addition, subtraction, multiplication, and mode as well, right? So basically, here's written the several kind of operators. First is arithmetic operator that perform the calculation between two variable. Like in arithmetic operation, there is some symbol like plus, minus, into, divide, modulo, and double star. You all already know that what is the meaning plus, minus, star. And this term divide, it will give the divide and dividend part of the calculation, and it will give you the remainder, and it will perform the product. And if you are going to write double star, suppose that I have written an example here, 2 double star 3, it means 2 to power 3. This term is going to be power of first. Okay, so it will give you the answer 8. Then after we come in comparison operator. So here we have some operators like double equal. First is double equal, which and double equal will compare only the value. Suppose that we have written here a equal to 4 and b equal to string of 4, and if we write a double equal to b, it will give you the true. And again has three, triple equal. So if we apply same thing in this term, it will give us false, because it also check the kind of data type of variables that you are comparing with each other, right? So here it is a kind of integer, and it is from string data type. So it checks variable as well as kind of yes, data type and value as well. And again has not equal, it means it will not be equal. And not double equal, it means simply like it should not be equal even in data types, right? Okay, less than, greater than, or less than equal and greater than equal, it all comes under comparison operator. Assignment operator, it means you are some assigning something to anyone, right? So here we have equal, plus equal, minus equal, into equal, and mod equal. These all the terms comes under uh, assign operator. Suppose that we have written here a equal to 5, and again we are written here a plus equal to 5. What is the meaning of this? A equal to a plus 5. Basically, what is the meaning of plus equal into equal or anything that is mentioned into the chart is you have to add, multiply, subtract, or any value into the given or predefined kind of variable. Okay, then after we come into logical. So here is a kind of or and not. So if there's two condition, and if you are using or operator, logical or, so you would be able to enter into the any loop if any one condition hits true. Okay, and if you are using logical and, it means your both conditions should be true. And if you are using not, it means whenever your condition would not be true, then only you will be allowed to enter into the given condition into given loop, right? So here's one more thing, that if you are using only not into any variable, suppose that no, you are writing here false and you are written here what, not. So it will change the value, it will change the real value, it will give you the true. And if you use double not false, so first not will make the result true, and then true, I mean it would be true, and his not, so what would be here, false, then it will give you the original value, exact value. Okay, unary operator, what is the meaning of unary operator? Unary operator means which is applied into a single variable. Suppose you are written here a, and you can all, I mean write here, I mean you can apply all the units operator like a plus plus, a minus minus, a equal to I mean a plus, a minus, this kind of thing that you can do. And type of, if you are going to use type of, you can change the value of any variables, right? Ternary operator, basically this is the operator where a condition is written into a bracket, then we use simple question mark, then write to output here. If this condition would be true, then you have to print this thing, otherwise this would print the second thing that would be written after colon. Okay, so this is what about operators. Now understand the control flow. I mean it is a kind of conditional statement like a fail safe and switch. And early return pattern, early return pattern means, here's a new term, early return pattern. Suppose you are writing something, if a equal to 17, then you used to write as out print this, print that. Instead of writing that code, you can directly use return. Suppose that it is a 17, it means b grade, to return b. Else if a equal to or less than equal to 60, it will give you return c. And whatever you want to write into a message, you can directly return it from return function. Okay, so here we have loop, there's for loop, while loop, and do while loop. What is the major difference between for loop, while loop, and do while loop? So basically in for loop we know that from where we have to start and at where we have to go and how we have to go. These three terms that we know before applying the for loop. And in while loop you only know from where you have to start and how you have to move forward. And the third term is where you have to stop. I mean, it does not give you the exact position where you have to return, where you have to stop. Okay. and a while loop. It is a simple, it is like a while loop, but in do while loop, it prints a term before entering into the while loop. So this is all about JavaScript, and in next video we will learn something new. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring. Thank you so much.